Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the SafeMars. Absolutely, SafeMars holders, you are a million. At this time not a SafeMars holders watching me. At this time millionaires watching me. You are a millionaire. I know that you all holding a SafeMars, that is why you're watching this video. So absolutely, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and like this video. I'm really happy when you subscribe my friends. Thank you so much for subscribing Abby's Tech channel. Thank you so much once again friends. Anyways, let's talk about the SafeMars. At this time price of the SafeMars is absolutely very positive. If you look the price of the SafeMars at this time, the 0.00001 USD dollar is the currently this time price of the SafeMars. On the other hand, if you look the price change occur in the SafeMars, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, except after last 1 hour the whole changes occur in the SafeMars as going positive. Positive 77.86% change occur in the SafeMars. Absolutely, I'm sure that SafeMars make a millionaire in this time and this month first. And if we look the previous last 1 week change occur in the SafeMars, so the previous change is absolutely last 1 week change is absolutely very highly positive. I really appreciate SafeMars this time. SafeMars is best investment for all of you this time. If we look the price changes occur in the SafeMars, so the price is absolutely very low friends, and the low price cryptocurrencies always give us a good amount of profit friends. And if we look the last 1 day price change, I know that this time the last 1 hour price change, as I told you, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price change is negative friends. I know at this time the price change is negative, but with the passage of time the SafeMars again take a jump, and I'm sure that SafeMars make you a millionaire. My prediction about SafeMars is very positive friends. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And kindly friends, again I'm telling you, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe Abby's Tech channel. I will update you every hour from SafeMars news friends. And if you look the price change occur in the last 1 day, I mean 24 hour, positive 77.86% change occur in the SafeMars in the last 1 day, and the highest price is 0.0001 USD dollar is the highest price of the SafeMars. My target for the SafeMars is 0.01 USD dollar. What's your target? Tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.